Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit and tastes like a combination of a kiwi and watermelon. The most common varieties are those with white flesh and black seeds, but less common varieties with red flesh and black seeds exists as well. Talking about the benefit of dragon fruit, contains anti-cancer properties that may reduce the risk of colon cancer. Rich vitamin C plays an important role in strengthening the immune system. Dragon fruit does not ripen off the plant and must be harvested when ripe. The farmers will collect all the dragon fruits to be sent to the processing factory. Here, they will be washed with salt water to eliminate any pesticide residue that accumulate on the skins of the dragon fruits. The dragon fruits will pass through hot drying system to blow off any stray drops of moisture on the surface, and then they will be re-washed again in clean water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do you know that dragon fruit's plant is a cactus, also known as pitaya or pitahaya? The dragon fruit was once thought to be the last thing that comes out of a fire-breathing dragon's mouth. In here, the preparation method comprised the steps of sorting and slicing, where the skin will be trimmed and the fruit cut into halves lengthwise into quarters. By using hydraulic fruit press, the flesh of dragon fruit will be pressed to extract the juice. The dragon fruit is native to Central America, from where it is believed to have been brought to Europe by European colonists. The French are credited with introducing dragon fruit to Vietnam, where it soon became an important crop. Dragon fruit production is a profitable enterprise and a promising means of raising the income of farmers, and now cultivated in many countries. It is also listed as one of the top imported and exported fruits in the world. They are also loaded with many beneficial vitamins. Eating it more often provides important health benefits. From supporting your gut and immune system, to improving blood circulation and preventing many chronic disease. All the bottled dragon fruit juice will go through one final quality check before sent for labeling process. Labeling is the final process before the bottles are sent out to consumers.